We out here again. This time we up north with it. Let's get it. We up north.
Alright, I'm going in the field.
You gotta announce that. You gotta announce that. Yes, sir. You already know what time it is. Sorry, guys, trapping. Let's get it. Shit, we up north with it. My boy setting up the targets. You already know. It's Pop-Tarts in that motherfucker. This boy trying to shoot us some food. Look. Brand new. We shooting up Pop-Tarts and cereal bars. Man, we could have gave this. Huh? We could have gave this to the homeless. We could have gave this to the homeless. Beautiful sight though. We finna light this bitch up though. Oh well. Shit, that's a good one right here. Yeah, Sirski. These little things be finding on the ground, so it's whatever. Huh? Yeah, I know. It's snakes and shit.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
Tarantulas, snakes.
I ain't really tripping off tarantulas.
Snakes
for sure, because them motherfuckers just gonna snap at your ass.
Yo, you seen that shit happen before?
Nah, I'm just going on what I see up.
My boy got the AK ready. You already know. Bit thick too. Look at that. 7.62. Which one is it?
7.62 Palmetto.
The Palmetto shit. We got the SCCY Sky 9mm right here, easily. We got the Glock 2240 Smith & Wesson joint. We got the Hammerelli 22 AR with the motherfucking
6R P365 XL.
Oh yeah. We lit then. We lit. Oh yeah, I forgot we got one more, the exclusive. The Mac, y'all.
Dead president.
It's the Mackie. The Mac.
A 9? That's a 9?
Yeah, it's 9.
Whoa.
The Mackie with the dick on it. You already know what time it is.
That shit down.
Oh yeah, don't forget this. This a little chill out.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Okay. Almost. That was close. You went through that bitch.
Yeah, I seen that.
You went through that bitch.
It jammed already?
Nah. My shoulder fucking.
Oh, you couldn't get it while
Yeah, couldn't even. Yeah. This is how you shoot.
That shit crazy.
Jeez. See if I get the target. My motherfucking ears ringing crazy in this motherfucker. Shit, I thought y'all was talking to me. Man, we outside. We got everything popping, bro. We got the AR. We got the AK. We got the 40 Glizzy. We got the 9mm. We got the where the SIG at? We got the SIG right here. Yeah, we outside, man. It's a hell of a day. Targets out there. We just having fun. Beautiful sight. We got the quad out here. Bro on the quad just taught him how to ride. But yeah, it's cool, man. Table Mesa Road. If y'all want to go somewhere and come shoot, Table Mesa Road. Look at bro coming back. I just taught him how to ride this quad, y'all. I just taught him how he going crazy. He think he me on this mug. Look at him. He think he me or something. Okay. Huh? Whenever you're going too fast, I mean, whenever you feel it vibrating, you'll go up to gear 2. Yeah, you upward. Your foot will go up. Yeah, up. So now you're in 1, so you'll go and then go to up to 2 when you want to go faster. Yeah, you went too fast that time. Yes, sir. You already know what time it is, baby. Let's get it. It's the Mackie. Let's go. motherfucking shit.
Damn.
Give me that, whatever. Yeah. AR on its way. AR on its way. Yeah, it's ready. Thank you, sir. Let's go. Got the scope on it. Ow, 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 ow. Ow, 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 ow. Ow, 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 nigga. Give me that motherfucking yop stick. Yeah.
Yankee back.
Yeah. Huh?
Yankee back.
Yankee back with you? Oh. Ain't have loaded, now it's loaded, baby. You already know what time it is. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
That's how you shoot, baby. Ain't no games playing around here.
We out this bitch busting, man. It's getting bright as fuck, though. ARs and quads. ARs and quads. They got people coming out here now. People busting. They got big ass 308s and shit. I can hear it.
I just wanted to give you a heads up that I bought all this property and I'm 86ing all shooting now. And one other thing.
Yeah.
I'm just BSing with you. Hey, bro.
Sheesh.
Rex.
Ernest.
Ernest.
Rex, what's up, Rex?
I like being lovably obnoxious.
Yeah, I feel you, man.
How long you been out here today?
Oh, I just got out here from Louisville. You know, I grew up in this old country.
Okay. What's the where should we be going? What's the where?
What?
Another spot probably shoot at. What's a good scenery?
Hey, wherever you want to shoot, buddy. My friend.
What's a good scenery though? Like where when we want to take a break from shooting and go walking and like see some shit.
Yeah, well, I don't know. I was going to go down and check the river because I usually cross it, but with this snow in the mountains, it's been melting and it's
See,
probably,
I told you people usually cross it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, they usually just cross over. It's real easy, but more. It looks like it's pretty deep right now.
Okay.
Yeah, I grew up in this old country, and we used this playground.
We don't give a fuck.
Run this all over from mountain to mountain.
Yeah, run your ass back to motherfucker where he came from, bitch. Mm-hmm. Nice, good for you. Yeah, we'll do hooty hoo.
Anyway, you guys, have a good one.
I feel like it is.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Left. You had that one with you. Left.
Reason was off.
Yeah. Oh shit. This shit bumpy. I ain't got no skid plate on.
Scavenger hunt real quick. Adventure walk. It was crazy. Couldn't see what to do with a head for. It's nice outside too, man. It's probably only like 80 degrees, 70. It's gonna happen, no bap. This is literally Mission Impossible. I don't even think I'm gonna make it. Yeah, nah. This current it's too strong, the water deep. Yeah, nah, look. Watch this. Oh, that sounds shallow, but I think hit another rock. Oh. Man, I'm trying to get across. Yeah, nah, it's slow, y'all. I ain't gonna hold y'all. It's slow. I ain't making it. I ain't making it. Yeah, y'all, we ending that shit. Had a cool time, but time to get about. Let's get it. Time to go get some food and shit now, probably. Might hit the mall, I don't know. You'll see.